Good morning, dear students. In our chapter networking concept, till now we have studied about networking, their advantages, types of networks used, and networking devices. Now let us study about the pattern or way of arranging computers and other peripheral devices to form a network. This is called network topology, which can be defined as the layout pattern in which various computers are connected to one another to form a network. Now we know that we need a network topology. Now let us understand the various factors which have to be taken into view while selecting a topology. The first one is cost. The most important factor for selection of topology is the cost occurred for buying cables and their installation cost between the nodes. The more the distance between the nodes, the more will be the cost. The second factor is the flexibility. Network topology selection also depends on the design of the area where it is to be used. It may include the setup in a building or the number of rooms in the building or any other arrangements. The third is reliability. Always such a network topology is selected which has minimum or no network failure. Such topologies are where fault detection during a network failure is easy. Now let us look at the categories of network topologies. First one is point to point. It is the simplest form of network structure in which two nodes are directly connected to each other. It is suitable for small areas where computers are close. It provides a fast and reliable connection. Second one is bus topology. In this topology, each node is attached directly to a central cable, which is the common communication medium for all attached nodes. The common central cable is called the bus. The advantage of a bus topology is that the data is transmitted throughout the length of the bus and the computers which need the data accepts them, otherwise they are rejected. Also, it is easy to be set up. It has some disadvantages also. One of them being that if there is a break in the main cable, the whole network cannot function. Third one is ring topology. In ring topology, the devices are connected to each other in a circular shape forming a loop. Each node or computer is connected to only two other nodes, one on each side of the node. In this topology, data flows only in one direction. Problem in one node can disable the entire network. This is a major setback of this topology. Next one is star topology. In star topology, each node is connected to a central node directly by a single path. Data is exchanged between two computers through a central node only. It means that the central node controls all the activities of the nodes. The advantage of this topology is that in an event of breakdown of any computer does not affect the functioning of the network. Only if the central node fails, then the communication across the network gets disabled. This topology is used in local area networks. Next one is tree topology. It is a combination of many star topologies connected together onto a bus. In this type of network, a hub or a switch are used connecting parts directly to the are used connecting ports directly to the bus network and works as a root of the network tree. If a cable failure occurs in one of the star network, it will only disable the workstation that is linked to the central computer of that star network, and all other workstations will work normally. Next one is mesh topology. Here each node or computer is connected to each other computer on the network. It is very expensive to implement, but it can handle a large volume of data traffic. Expansion and modification can be done without affecting other nodes. Next one is network security. Now let us study about the network security. It means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. This is done by providing security at the boundaries of a network. Information and network security can be referred to as CIA, which means confidentiality, that is protection against unauthorized access; integrity, that is protection against unauthorized modifications; and authentication, which is identification of authorized users. This comes to the end of this chapter. We have discussed about nodes, differences in PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. We have studied about networking devices such as NIC, modems, hubs, also about networking topologies. In our next class, we will complete the exercise given in this chapter. Thank you, students.